In the friend-edit view model, we have the delete command. When that delete command is executed, we will use the event aggregator to publish the friend deleted event. That event will contain the ID of the deleted friend. In the navigation view model, we will subscribe to that event to remove the navigation item. In the main view model, we will also subscribe to that event to close the tab by removing the corresponding friend-edit view model from the friend-edit view model's property. Okay, that's the idea. Now let's start by defining the friend deleted event and let's publish it from the friend-edit view model. In the events folder of the Friend Storage UI project, we have already 2 events. Now let's add another class and let's call it friend deleted event. We inherit from Prism's pub/sub event, and as a parameter we want to have an integer which will be the friend ID. Okay, let's add a using directive for Prism events and let's make this class public. Alright, now in the friend-edit view model we need to publish this event when the delete command is executed. So let's first write our unit test in the friend-edit view model test class. The first thing we need to do, we need to define a mock for our new friend deleted event. Let's do this in the constructor. So I create here a new friend deleted event mock and I initialize it with a new mock for our friend deleted event. And I ask Visual Studio to generate the field for me. Okay, here we go. Then we have here the event aggregator, and we also want to set up that event aggregator for our friend deleted event. So let's do this. On the event aggregator, we call the setup method for the getEvent method. And we want to set it up for the friend deleted event. When that getEvent method is called, we want to return the instance from our friend deleted event mock. Okay, cool. Now let's scroll down to the end of this file and let's just copy this test method. And we call it should publish friend deleted events when delete command is executed. So here we load a friend in our friend edit view model and we execute the delete command. After that, we want to verify that our friend deleted event has been published. So let's grab the friend deleted event mock here and let's verify that the publish method of our event has been called with the loaded friend ID. And we want to verify that it has been called exactly once. Okay, now let's run the tests. And our new test method is red. Now we can implement the logic in the friend edit view model to publish this new friend deleted event. So in that view model, let's scroll down to the onDeleteExecute method. Here we go. When that method is executed and the friend is deleted, we just grab the event aggregator to get our new friend deleted event. And on that event, we call the publish method with the ID of the deleted friend. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the tests again. And as you can see, all our tests are green. So we are done with publishing the event from the friend edit view model. Now let's continue in the navigation view model to remove the navigation item for the deleted friend. In the previous clip, we have published the friend deleted event from the friend edit view model. Now let's jump to the navigation view model and let's subscribe to that event to remove the navigation item that relates to the deleted friend. As usual, we will start with the unit test. So let's jump to the Navigation View Model test class. In the constructor of this test class, I create a new friend deleted event. And I store that event in the field friend deleted event. Now I need to set up the event aggregator's getEvent method. As I'm lazy, I just copy the setup for the friend saved event and I paste it here. I want to set up the getEvent method for the friend deleted event. And when that getEvent method is called, we want to return our friend deleted event. Okay, so the setup is done. Now let's write a test method. Let's call the test method should remove navigation item when friend is deleted. Okay. The first thing we do on the navigation view model, we call the load method. In the constructor, we have set up the navigation data provider's getAllFriends method to return two lookup items. So in our test method, we will have two items in the navigation view model's friends property. Let's just grab the first item's ID and let's store it in the variable deleted friend ID. This is the friend ID that we want to delete. So now let's use our friend deleted event and let's just publish that event with that friend ID. And now the friend should be deleted. So we can assert that we have just one item in our navigation view model's friends property. Previously, we had two items after we have called the load method. Now after we have deleted the friend with this ID, we should have only one item left in that property. But now we also need to ensure that it is the right item that is left in the navigation. We don't want to delete the wrong item. So let's assert that the ID of that item in the friends property is not equal to the deleted friend ID. Okay, cool. So we are done with our unit test. Now let's run it. And here we go. We have one red test in the navigation view model's tests. And this is our new test method. As you can see, expected is one item, but we have actually two items in the navigation view model's friends property. So now let's go to the navigation view model and let's implement the logic. In the constructor of the navigation view model, we use the event aggregator's getEvent method to get the friend deleted event. Then we call the subscribe method and we specify a method onFriendDeleted. Okay, and for sure, Visual Studio can generate that method for us. In that onFriendDeleted method, we receive the friend ID of the deleted friend. Now inside the method, we just grab the navigation item that we have to remove from our friends property. So we call single here, where the navigation item's ID is equal to the incoming friend ID. And then we just remove that navigation item from our friends property. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the tests again. And here we go. The test is green and we have 31 green tests. Now we are done with the navigation view model to remove the navigation item for the deleted friend. Now let's also close the tab when a friend is deleted. In the previous clip, we have implemented the logic in the navigation view model to remove the navigation item for the deleted friend. Now we need to do the last part, which is the main view model. Here we need to subscribe to the friend deleted event to close the tab of the deleted friend. So let's switch to Visual Studio. Okay, now let's implement the logic in the main view model to close a tab. As usual, we start with a unit test. So let's open up the main viewModel test class. In the constructor of that class, we just create our friend deleted event. And we store it in a field. Now we need to set up the event aggregator's getEvent method. As we have already a setup here for the openFriendEditView event, I just copy this setup. When the getEvent method is called for our friend deleted event, then I want to return my friend deleted event. Okay, cool. Now let's scroll down and let's write a new test method. And we call the test method should remove friendEditViewModel on friend deleted event. Okay. Now to open up a tab in the main viewModel, we need to publish the openFriendEditView event. Now let's just define a const int here with the deleted friend ID. This is the ID that we want to delete. So let's publish an event. Now let's publish the event 2 more times with the ID 8 and also with the ID 9. So we have now 3 friendEditViewModels in the main viewModel. Now the next thing we do, we publish our friend deleted event with that specific ID. Then we can assert that we have exactly 2 items in the main viewModel's friendEditViewModels property, because we have deleted 1 item. We can also assert that all the existing friendEditViewModels in the main viewModel don't have the ID of the deleted friend. Okay, so we are sure that we have removed the correct friendEditViewModel from the friendEditViewModel's property. Alright, now let's run the unit tests. And here we go, our new test method is red. We have expected 2 items in the friendEditViewModel's property, but actually we have 3 items. So this failure happens here in this assertion. So now let's implement the logic in the main viewModel. So here in the constructor of the main viewModel, we just use the event aggregator to get the friend deleted event. And we subscribe to that event with the method onFriendDeleted. Okay, and Visual Studio can generate that method for us. In this onFriendDeleted method, we receive the friend ID. And now inside of this method, we just grab the friendEditViewModel that has the ID for the deleted friend. So from our friendEditViewModel's property, we grab a single item where the friend's ID is equal to that deleted friend ID. And then we just need to remove that friendEditViewModel. Alright, so that's it. Now let's run the unit tests. And as you can see, all our tests are green. So we are done with the delete logic in the friend storage application. Now let's give it a try. Let's create a new friend. And let's save that friend. Now the delete command is active. Now when I press the delete button, the tab should close and the friend should be removed from the navigation. Alright, cool, it worked. The tab was closing and the friend disappeared from the navigation. So that's quite cool. The only thing that I don't like is that when I press the delete button, the friend is deleted immediately. Instead of just deleting the friend, I want to display a dialog to the user and ask him if he is really sure. This is what we will do in the next module. Now let's wrap up what you have learned in this module.